Varta Vahini, a unique name given by late Dr. C.N. Mangala, was born in 1971 when the pre-university or junior college of NMKRV was started. It was released by Sri T.K. Tukol, Vice Chancellor, Bangalore University. The first issue was edited by Ms. Sheila Isaac and Dr. A. Ramaswamy Iyengar. This issue was released on 15th August 1971 under the guidance of Dr. C.N. Mangala. The editors brought out the first issue with varied information on the donors, the secretary, and pictures of the then staff members and the managing committee of college association. The initial issue also carried information on various institutions run by Rashtriya Shikshana Samiti Trust. It also included information of the activities of college. This issue had some advertisement as well. This style of cover page and the content were the same in the following issues of Varta Vahini. In those days, the college was always in news in many of the newspapers like Indian Express, Prajavani, The Hindu. They carried various reports on the seminars, conferences organized by the college. The copies of those reports were also included in Varta Vahini. The donors' pictures, Sri Medha Kasturi Ranga Shetty and Srimati Nagaratnamma Medha Kasturi Ranga Shetty, were also included in the newsletter. A major feature of Varta Vahini on those days was the pictures of Shramadhan, a NSS activity of the students of the college in various villages with underprivileged children. The list of eminent speakers in Varta Vahini is endless. If one leaves through Varta Vahini from 1971 to 79, one finds that the college has invited well-known authors like Sri Darabente, Sri G.P. Rajaratnam, Professor M.P.L. Shastri, Professor Javre Gowda. The other important part of Varta Vahini has always been about giving importance to sports. A number of pictures on sports activities, sports meet, will make us understand how sports is an important part of any educational institution. The college has always given importance to patriotism. That's the reason why Varta Vahini has been released on Independence Day and Republic Day. A picture of the college taking a procession on Independence Day in 1972 speaks more than words. A milestone was reached by the college when Dr. C.N. Mangala found Srimati Tirumalamba. The 10th volume of Varta Vahini, edited by Srimati Hemalata John, Department of English, had a picture of Dr. C.N. Mangala garlanding Srimati Tirumalamba, the first Kannada lady writer, printer and publisher. The story behind this is quite interesting. Dr. C.N. Mangala was a columnist and a writer. While writing about Kannada women writers, she had written an article about Srimati Tirumalamba and claimed that she was no more, but to her surprise, she found that Srimati Tirumalamba was alive in one of the small towns of Tamil Nadu. To condone her mistake, CNM, as she was fondly called by her students and others, started the museum Shashwati, dedicated to Srimati Tirumalamba. The museum displayed artifacts used by women of yesteryears. The same picture was later published in various newspapers. The college was known for the Rashtriya Vidyalaya Institute of Sanskrit Studies and the annual Sanskrit Drama Festival. There were a number of seminars organized under the banner of RVISS. The 15th August 1985 issue had a picture of teachers and students marching from SBM Circle. They went around Chikkapete and Balepete on Padayatra for collecting money for Chief Minister Drought Relief Fund. Yet another important event that was printed in 1986 August issue of Varta Vahini was the first Nanjangudu Tirumalamba Award or Shashwati Award given to Srimati Chaya Dadar. And this was the first issue brought out by Dr. Vani MN, HOD, Department of Journalism, and Dr. Jayagauri Shivkumar, Department of English. Henceforth, the Department of Journalism took over the publication of Varta Vahini and it appeared with a makeover. The content changed and it now had reports of college activities, list of rank holders in the Bangalore University, reports of NCC and NSS activities, sports, results of athletic meet, etc. were also published. The year 1989 saw the dawn of the Department of Women's Studies. Dr. Madhuri R. Shah, VC, SNDT Women's University, and chairperson of the UGC, came to the college and blessed the Department of Women's Studies. In 1990, the college started PG and Research Center of Applied Botany, which was also reported in Times of India and Sanjay Vani. Eminent people like Shri Kumedben Joshi, Shri Virendra Hegde, Fulbright group led by Dr. George P. Chandler, Dr. K. Hanumantappa, VC Bangalore University, visited the college. In December 1990, Dr. C.N. Mangala came up with a unique idea. A special issue of Varta Vahini devoted to the various student achievers was published. This covered a small write-up on students who are exemplary in academics, dance, sports, NSS, NCC, music, drama, fine arts, and other miscellaneous activities. The news item about a student, Miss Archana Handa, being a jockey made an interesting read. The glance through this issue makes all NMKRVites really proud. A number of researchers and professors visited the college as guests to inaugurate Vediki celebrations. The Independence Day issue of Varta Vahini has the cover photo of Goddess Sharda, painted by Sri B.K.S. Verma, noted painter popularly known for drawing pictures while songs play on. In the year 1994, the country saw a disastrous earthquake. The institution gave an amount of Rs 1,101,000 to Ramakrishna Pratishtana. Hence, this year, most of the amount sanctioned for printing of Varta Vahini was given away to this fund. In order not to discontinue the publication of Varta Vahini, which acts as a documenter of the college activities, the cover page of the Republic Day issue 1994 was printed on white maplitho paper. This had the cover of Sri A. Venkatramana Shetty, Chairman, Governing Council of the college, as it paid homage to him. The cover page of 1994 of Independence Day issue had the well-known writers Dr. Shivram Karanth, Dr. U.R. Ananthamurthy, among others. In 1995, Republic Day issue was dedicated to the memory of Srimati Nagaratnamma Meda Kasturiranga Shetty after her demise. In the beginning of the year 1996, the headship of the institution changed hands. Dr. C.N. Mangala was the principal of this institution from 1971 to 1995. In order to celebrate 3 decades of leadership, an article titled Inspired Vision and Exalted Vocation, an Enduring Legacy was authored by Srimati Hemalata John, HOD English. The principalship of the institution was taken over by Srimati Umadevi KS, HOD Sociology in 1996. The 1997 issue of Independence Day was dedicated to the memory of Dr. C.N. Mangala. To this day, this issue is a landmark publication which chronicled Dr. C.N. Mangala's vision leadership. The year 1997-98 was the year of celebration. An emblem for the Silver Jubilee year of the college was designed. The same is printed on the cover of Republic Day issue of Varta Vahini. Almost all the articles printed in this issue are about the Silver Jubilee celebration at the college. The Independence Day issue of Varta Vahini had something new to offer. From 1998 to 2004, all the issues had photo of cute little children. These photos were taken by Professor M. Sridhar Murthy, Department of Psychology, whose hobby is clicking pictures of children, landscape, portrait, etc. However, the covers changed to pictures that were relevant to Republic Day and Independence Day. They were designed and printed to mark the relevance of the day it was published. There has always been a tradition of the college to give a send-off to the final year students of degree. The Independence Day issue of 1999 has pictures of staff members dancing to the music. The Millennium Special issue of Varta Vahini was released on 23rd February 2000 instead of Jan 2000. The Republic Day issue of 2001 has an interview with Miss Mortimer, Minister of Women and Child Welfare, as a lead article. It also had interview feature with Sri D.A. Pandu, who received the Rajyotsava Award. From 2001 issue onwards, reviewing of books and films by the students were also added to the regular features of Vartavahini. Republic Day issue of 2002 carries a picture of Dr. Chandrasekhar Kambara, Rajyotsava awardee, presenting Shashwati Awards. The 2002 issue has picture of President Dr. M.K. Panduranga Shetty with the President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Two student editors, Ms. Shruti and Ms. Karpagam, conducted an interview of Dr. Panduranga Shetty, who shared his experience with the President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and also about his recent trip to Germany to sign an MOU with the German university. The Independence Day issue 2004 was indeed special for an important reason. It had information on the NAC visit to the college and presenting of exit report. Another important report was on Mr. D.A. Pandu assuming office as Chief Mentor and Mr. A.V.S. Murthy, who assumed office as the Honorary Secretary of RSS Trust. The Independence Day issue of 2005 had on its cover photo of the Chief Mentor of the Trust, Sri D.A. Pandu, and was dedicated to him. His death brought an end to the glorious years of his secretaryship. As its main article, this issue carried anecdotes from trustees speaking about him. The 2011 issue of Independence Day had a colorful cover printed on glossy art paper, a title page along with the editorial team, and the content with headlines to the story, and the page number index was introduced. Yet another trend that was introduced in 2015 was allocation of student photographers for event coverage. The Republic Day issue of 2016 is yet another memorable one as the NAC peer team visited the college. The covers and the contents of Vartavahini have reached a stage where it can be called a news magazine which could be easily sold on newsstands. From Republic Day issue of 2019, a regular column Spotlight was introduced. The column attempts to highlight the achievements of alumni who have excelled in various fields. The August issue of 2019 saw another change in the editorial board as Dr. Sharada T became the HOD and coordinator of MAJMC. She took over the editorship of News Magazine and has been heading the whole team since then. The Republic Day issue of 2020 had a cover photo clicked by a student of MAJMC, Ms. Yashaswini BM, in Aero India 2019. The Independence Day issue of 2020 was shifted to online platform in the light of the pandemic. The news magazine was circulated in the form of soft copy to all the faculty members and the students. For College News Bulletin to have reached this stature is an achievement indeed. Vartavahini could not have reached this feat of celebrating its golden jubilee but for the pioneering efforts of Dr. C.N. Mangala, the magnanimous management, the staff and students of journalism. May Vartavahini complete its platinum jubilee.